Hey everyone, I am super excited to announce that CircuitPython Online IDE 2.0 Alpha is now launched. Find the link in the description below to try it out. In this video, I am going to talk about what 2.0 means, what Alpha means, and what's coming up next. Welcome to CircuitPythonic, I am River. Just a quick intro, if you are new here, CircuitPython is a version of Python for microcontroller and single-board computers. Its development is supported by Adafruit. CircuitPython Online IDE is a community open source project by me. It's a browser-based IDE that works on pretty much any computers, even Chromebooks with zero setup. So let's get started. First, what does 2.0 mean? If you have followed my work or used the CircuitPython Online IDE before, you might remember the very basic version 0 and the nicer version 1. Version 0 was my first try at JavaScript. Version 1 was better, but it's still written in vanilla JavaScript. It worked, but the code became messier as I keep adding new stuff to it. Basically, I got to a point where I couldn't even understand my own code. That pushed me to rewrite everything using React.js, which I call it the version 2. Now, what does alpha mean? So here is how I define the release cycles. Alpha version, aka the inner test version, means all the core features are implemented, but not really used in any real projects yet. In this phase, I will use it for one of my CircuitPython projects and fixing the problems as they pop up. You're very welcome to try it out and give feedbacks, but I'm not going to push it too hard on social media yet. Another big thing I'm doing now is writing up all the text documentations so everyone can get it easily when it is ready for public test. After I finish my first project with it and sort out all the issues, it is going to move to beta, aka the public test version. I will push it as hard as possible with tutorial videos and vlogs on my social media. I will be looking for feedbacks from users and fixing any bugs they find. The old version will still be available but hosted on archived repos. I will also do another DIY project with it myself. Once I'm done with the second project and fix any issue that came up, version 2 will be officially released. But that's not the end. As the code is much more organized than before, it is easier to add new features to it. And I do have a list of them planned. They are going to land on version 2.1, 2.2, etc. What about version 3? Well, version 2 is a pure front-end project hosted on GitHub pages, but some of the ideas I have do need something more, like a backend, so those will come in the future version 3. So that's the scope. If you like this video or find the IDE helpful, please hit the like and share so more folks can see it. Drop a comment too and let me know what you think. Catch you in the next one, and always stay Pythonic.